Hi friends, we're talking about my eyes. And the tune we're talking about is The Farmer in the Dell. So it's my eyes help me see, my eyes help me see. What do you see? 3 ideas. And then you can see my eyes help me see. This is a song that you can sing once you fill it in. An adult can help you with this. Have fun with it. This is something else, things that you see. Gifts, sun, tree, camera, night, window, x-ray, bugs, rainbow. But the fun part of this is an adult can help you, or you can try yourself. Cut on the lines, and then you have a black and white copy. So you can take it and match it from this one to this one. If you want to be tricky, you can turn it over and then turn it over and try to match it. Play with it any way you want. Mix it up, do it any way you want, but you can also sing the song for that. So these are the singing cards. We also have them for my hands for touching, mouth, nose, and eyes. And they have all the different sheets in here. Play the game any way you want. Enjoy them. Thanks, friends. Bye.